This video was made using Kling AI 1.6 Pro. It's free, fast generation, no watermark, and yes, it can go unlimited if you want. Yes, I'm not kidding, it's true. No more talking. Let's jump right in. I'll show you how to do it. Go to Google and type Flora AI. Then head over to this website florafauna.ai. First, we'll sign up for a new account. You can create one using Gmail or any other email. For this demo, I'll use a Gmail account. Finish the registration process. This section is a guide. If you're a first-timer, here's how you can navigate around the workspace. As you can see, new users get 2,000 credits. And yes, these credits renew every month. To start, double-click the blank area. Since we want to generate a video using Kling AI, I'll choose the video option. Aside from Kling AI, this platform also provides access to other well-known models like Hilo, Minimax, VO21, Luma, Ray, Pika, and Runway. You can check how many credits each one requires and the estimated generation time. All models use fast generation. As you can see, the longest estimated time is for Kling AI, which is 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes, not 5 hours. To upload your images, simply drag and drop them into the blank area. Next, you need to connect the image to the video tab like this. Then enter your prompt. I'll try a simple prompt and choose the Kling Pro 1.6 model for this. As you can see, this section shows the tasks already in the queue for the Kling Pro 1.6 model. The estimated time is about 5 minutes. I'll also try it with other models later to compare the results. I'm not going to stack the queue because sometimes the generation fails with an error like this. So I recommend generating one by one. If you want to work faster, you can open a different browser and opt for another account. Look at this result. Damn, I have no words. That bounce looks so natural. Oops, I mean the walking movement. We still have around 1,500 credits left, so let's try another model and see what we get. To download your file, just click the download button or right-click and select download. Here are the results from other models. Which one do you prefer? If you run out of credits, no worries, you have 2 options. Upgrade your plan, or if you're low on money, try this method first. Sign out from your account, then we'll sign up for a new one using an email method. Open your favorite website, mailticking.com, click activate and copy your new email address. If you want a different one, click change and choose the first option. Now you know how to get a new address back to Flora AI. Paste in the email and fill out the form. Return to mail, ticking refresh until the verification email arrives. Open it and click the link to complete registration. Once you've finished registering, you'll see that with our new email, we've received another 2,000 credits to use. Let's test it. I'll generate another image to video using Kling Pro 1.6. And yes, it works. As you can see, the task is already queued and our credits dropped to 1,500. One more tip, if you have trouble downloading your file, just close your browser and log into your account from a different browser. Then you should be able to download it there. That's it.